still in Moab, Utah. Thursday morning, 7:47 a.m. here. Today is 21st of March, 2024. This is a nice city, guys. This city is like sitting right in the middle of mountains, brown mountains, you know. As y'all can see.
It ends up in your hands. Fraudulent tax returns due to identity theft increased by 30% to 20%.
Looks pretty cool.
If you're in a bind this tax season, LifeLock can help.
This guy's been enjoying nice views here. Cool weather.
Dedicated to helping solve your identity theft issues.
You know, city right in the middle of mountains. City surrounded by mountains, guys. Surrounded by mountains,
Help protect your
guys.
information this tax season with LifeLock. Save up to 25% your first year.
Pretty cool, you know. Some people be living this natural life, you know.